Blackpool Pleasure Beach is an amusement park located in Lancashire in northwest England. The park is well known across the nation for its vast array of roller coasters. One of the oldest roller coasters still operating at the park is called the Big Dipper. It is a 60-foot high wooden roller coaster which opened 95 years ago in 1923. It is a much loved coaster at the park and has stood the test of time well. However, on the 11th of August 2009, two trains collided on the ride, which meant 21 people had to be treated in hospital. With all the safety measures put in place on roller coasters, this type of event is a very rare occurrence and left many wondering exactly what happened. From information found online, a train had reportedly stalled halfway through the layout, coming to a halt on the anti-rollback mechanism on a hill. Unaware of this, the operators dispatched a second train. The collision occurred when the second train smashed into the back of the stopped first train. 32 people, 21 of which were injured, had to be rescued from the trains as both trains had now stopped. Firemen took advantage of stretchers and spinal boards for the injured and employed a specialist rope team to free the riders. The injuries ranged from whiplash, broken noses and cuts and bruises. The rest of the visitors at the park at the time were evacuated as a safety precaution, and Big Dipper was closed pending investigation. However, I cannot find when it reopened. When interviewed the next day, Blackpool Pleasure Beach company secretary at the time said, "Clearly it is very rare that things like this happen. As a company, we dedicate ourselves to providing entertainment for thousands of families from around the world. Incidents like these are few and far between, and our best wishes go out to all of those involved." Since this accident, the ride has reopened and is still a popular attraction at the park, and will soon be celebrating its 100th anniversary in 2023, assuming it is not removed before then, of course. Again, I must state this series is not made to put you off of roller coasters. It is to educate and explain incidents on rides in the country so people have a better understanding. An incident such as this is very rare. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon in a new video.